in what's called the 90s. I used to play professional basketball here in the British Basketball League here in the UK. And yeah, I've always loved basketball. It was my drug as such. It kept me off the streets, just playing professional basketball. But it wasn't a career that I really wanted to pursue as such. Even though I was seen as being as good at it, and even got to the stage where I represent my country once. But I remember after I'd won the most valuable player in the All-Star game, and that's when they picked the best players from the South against the best players from the North. Within the All-Star game, there were only 3 British players playing. Everyone else was foreign, were Americans brought into UK. I got MVP, most valuable player of that particular game, and that's when I said, you know what, I really should be focusing on other things, because they weren't paying us a professional wage, so it wasn't enough to live on, for one, and 2, I just didn't feel they had any sustainability for the league. So I was frustrated with the actual basketball league and focused on my restaurant, which is now quite successful, and focused on the rums as well, and not doing a bad thing at that as well with the whole rum ambassadorship. As a Jamaican, or a person that's born of Jamaican parents, quite proud the fact that there is a focus on Jamaica for this particular year, in the 15th year of independence. Makes me quite proud, especially to see a lot of Jamaicans or Jamaican descendants doing really well and excelling in their field, especially when we come to sport. Sport is naturally going to be a major topic this year because of the Olympics. So of course, like people like Usain Bolt in athletics. You also have the football players, the veterans of the world, the John Barnes and the Robbie Earls of the world that have done great for football in this country. Tessa Sanderson in athletics, Colin Jackson, Denise Lewis, Lennox Lewis when it comes to boxing and things like that. So when I see people like that who have been my inspiration, it's helped me to, as a Jamaican person, or a Jamaican-born British person, to actually really want to push myself to excel in what I do and be proud of both countries, both my country of Jamaica, my parents' country, and the country where I was born in Britain. And it would be nice to see Britain and England to actually use that and actually help propel and promote Jamaica in a positive light, especially in this year where a lot of focus is actually going to be put onto Jamaica as such.